Hello everyone, this is a portable information display device. It can be used for advertising and media contents information display. Also, it can be at a foldable standby device to display your event information with pictures and videos. Those three brackets are the four stand bracket, and this is green part. And two packs of the accessories. Now let's install the bracket. This is a pair of gloves. And this is the screen mirror device. Those four bolts are for the installation of those four standing brackets. And those are the wheels for the brackets. USB flash disk, screwdriver, and a remote controller with batteries. Power cable. So first, make sure those cable holes are on the back. And then adjust the bracket. Make sure those cable holes, we can get a screw, we can get a bolt through. Okay. Get this bolt through this hole, through this hole. Adjust it. Make sure this bolt can get through the hole. Install the wheels. Hold on this top plate to screw in, and then release. At last, let's put this screen on this bracket. So attention please, we need to lock the four wheels. So the first, second, third, and the last. And those are the four screws for hanging on the four standing bracket. So we need to release a little to get enough space to hang on the bracket holes. And lock this screw with the screwdriver. Lock the wheels. And this is a Wi-Fi antenna. If it was not correctly, you need to find it out in the accessories. The cable through this hole. This is the power cable. Get this power cable connected on this power socket. Turn on the power with this power switch.